So yeah, it's hard to separate theory from application. So this is theory. As you learn the theory and you get practiced at it, then you start applying it, and you kind of become an artist, essentially. You get into that phase where you start using it as an artist. So if you're doing that, you might feel, get the fingertips, maybe. So you got plenty of shoulder strength to do this, so get a nice broad contact like that. Stick your elbows out, and that's a trick to getting more strength from your shoulders. So why don't we go ahead and take a break? That's not a bad idea. So let's take a break, and then you can switch the trade. Okay, 15 minutes. Now, which way was he? Was it distortion? So go back and forth. So this is below the arch. Like that.
And that one's for superior.
Superior, inferior.